In this segment, I'm going to show you how to use a white card as a light modifier. The most important thing to do when you're setting up one of these is just to bounce the light into the white card. It's simple. I have been using this white card in particular for about 10 years. They are very, very durable. They can take a lot of stuff. This thing has gotten wet. Most of these modifiers is. The larger it is, the softer it's going to be. This is actually just a medium size white card. When I use the big ones, 4x8 sheets of white foam core, especially if I tape them together, you get great, very diffuse, soft light. And they work really nice. And this is actually a good place to start when you want to start playing with modifying your light. You can actually use another white card to bounce light back in. As you can see, that evens out the light quite a bit. You can hang it a little bit if you want to get it in there just a little bit more. And the closer you get it, the more light that it fills in. As you can see, it really helps fill in the shadows on the nose there. As you can see, it makes quite a difference. If you want something a little bit different, you can warm it up by using a gold card. You can see that creates quite a difference. Or even a silver card if you want it to be very specular. It just creates a nice warm shadow right there.